everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant March 15th release. Today we're going to take a look at ninja sayings, and it's a great sentiment stamp set that will go perfect with yesterday's introduction, which was Little Ninja Agenda. I also think if you've been a longtime fan of Mama Elephant, you also probably have tiny ninjas in your collection, and this sentiment stamp set would also go perfect with that one as well. My favorite sentiment on this stamp set is to my Ninja Warrior Goddess, and I will be using that on today's card. There's also a new cover die. This is Comic Cover Basic, and I really love these dies that kind of separate the front of the card into little scenes. I think it makes it easier because you have a smaller space to work with, and you just make a multiple of smaller different scenes. I'll be using the Little Ninja Agenda stamp set again to pair with these sentiments, and I'll be doing kind of like a blue card today, like a dusty blue. So I'm using B93 for my base color, and for the shading I'm using B95, and then I will blend that out with the B93 again. And I like to use a darker color on the headband and the belt, and that color will be B99. So I thought I would read some of the sentiments here. Thank you for all you do behind the scenes like a ninja. I did use that sentiment for my card. You are so crushing it. Sneaking by to say hi, happy belated birthday. It totally snuck up on me. I know you can do it like a ninja in the night. You are so ninja amazing. I would go all out ninja for you. I like that one too. You can do it. You're a ninja warrior. Birthdays, they sneak up on you like ninjas. Happy birthday, my little ninja. Thanks for being the ninja that you are. Ninja mode on. Time to kick some serious booty. Kick it like a ninja. Watch out because you're so freaking awesome. To my Ninja Warrior Goddess, even though you may not see me, know that I am always there for you, and shh. Here's a look at all the images cut out. And I thought I would pair it with one of my older Mama Elephant dies. This is Cityscape. You could also use, there's also buildings in the Slimline die set, Slim Film City. Those have die cuts of buildings as well. I just wanted to use this one, and I've cut out a bunch of them, and I used the cover die to cut them out so they could fit exactly in the squares. And now I'm kind of piecing together all the buildings on the different panels. I did cut out an extra panel die, and I left the inserts inside them because I will be using the inserts, and then the frame part of the die I'm going to die cut in a different color. So I'm kind of keeping this white paper intact so I can stamp on it, and I'm using two of the different sentiments. And I like how this die is kind of separated, so you're able to use maybe a sentiment on each of the panels or whatever you like. So I wanted to use two sentiments for this card today, and I really love the typography. I like the way the sentiments look. I like the mixture of different styles. I really like it. And I'm just gluing down all of my little Cityscape pieces in each of the panels. And I'm also thinking about at the same time, where I want my ninjas to go. So I have a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch white panel, and I've cut out that cover die in a blue color on top of that card front. And then I'm going to pop out all of my panels from the pieces that we put together and stamped, and I'm going to inlay them in the colored cardstock. I love this blue color, and I wanted to make a blue and gray card today just because I just felt like doing that. And then now that I think about it, I should have done some ink blending in the back. So instead of doing that, I'm going to do something else. But I wanted to just put as much ninjas as I could on the panels. So I'm just trying to figure out like the right configuration, you know, because I want some to face different ways. And then I remembered in my head that I wanted to put one kind of peeking out backwards, but I forgot to do that. But I just really love this. The ninjas come in different positions, so it's kind of easy to make a scene and make it look like they're doing something. So I am adhering the ninjas using double-sided foam adhesive, and the buildings I used the art glitter glue, Designer Dries Clear, with the fine metal tip. That glue has lasted me so long. I think I've only refilled it once and it's been like 2 years. So you only need to use a little bit. So instead of doing ink blending for atmosphere, I'm using one of my favorite Mama Elephant dies. It's an old one. It's called Lots of Stars. And I really like adding stars to the card, like as if you were putting like sequins, but instead you're using stars. And I'm using it in the same colored cardstock as the frame piece of the cover die. A lot of the Mama Elephant dies come with stars, so you don't have to use the Lots of Stars one in particular. And that is it. After I adhere the stars, we are good to go. I am using the Marvi Uchida jewel picker to pick up the little stars and adhere them to the card. So here is what the final card looks like. I love how it turned out, and it was super easy to make. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye, guys.